Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood, and PromoSTK, Shella's Creations way. And I'm going to show you guys how to roast peanuts. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, so we're going to be roasting, yes, roasting peanuts. As you see, I've already washed them, got all the excess debris and sand or dirt off of them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sea salt and my olive oil, and I'm going to mix them all up. So I'm going to get about 4 capfuls of this vegetable oil, 4 capfuls of this vegetable oil. And then once I put the 4 capfuls of vegetable oil, I'm going to take the sea salt, or you guys can use regular salt. I like the sea salt because it's more thicker and coarser. And I'm just going to sprinkle it in there. You figure about 2 tablespoons worth of sea salt at least. And as you see, I'm sprinkling it in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take all that salt and vegetable oil. We're going to make sure that all those peanuts are covered with the vegetable oil and the sea salt. So that's what you'll see me doing now. Okay. So you saying it now or what?
I don't know when he told me to look at the prayer line. But he said he could drop me off.
What time he gonna drop you off?
He said in the morning.
Yeah, you see the oil on my hands? Oh yeah, we're getting those babies bathed up really good.
But you salted them.
Yes, they are salted and oiled and ready to go in the oven at 350 for 2 hours. Now you'll bake them the first hour, then you'll go in and you will take and just stir them around to make sure you're getting them the top from the bottom to the top. And then once you're done with that, you'll put them back in the oven and let them bake another 1 hour. And then stir them again, and you're ready to eat you some hot roasted. Oh yeah, hot roasted peanuts. Oh yeah. All right, you guys. So the peanuts are done. They are all done. Oh yeah. And the red skins are still on it. And I eat my red skins. Oh yeah. Y'all like the Redskins? I'm trying to hide. There you go. If you don't like the Redskins, you can take them off, but I like my Redskins. Pretty hot. Here you go. And the Redskins have the most nutrition, if y'all didn't know that. Yes, they do. Have another. Oh, yeah. All right. So there you have it. Some old-fashioned roasted peanuts. Oh yeah. It's hot. All right, you guys. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel and check out the recipe and try it for yourself. Oh yeah.
8.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate my roasted
8.
peanuts? 8. Okay, my husband rated me an 8 out of a scale of 1 to 10.
I give you 8.
You give me an 8. Okay.